IMSA Radio and IMSA TV. The IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship. WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca, once again. Stand finish. 2 more laps, I reckon, for the leaders. The leaders in GTD Pro are just heading up the rear half straight now. Is the Mustang number 16 of Felipe Fraga, the Myers Riley Motorsport car. Down to the left-hand side, into turn number 5. Is the quicker of the 2 cars right now, right? He's only a 10, but does he have enough time? 2 minutes on the clock. I think there'll be another one after this. Across towards the starter stand as they come by. It's got to be in the no white flag. No white flag. So it will be next time around. And a huge amount of traffic in front of them. Earl Bamber now will not be happy seeing all of these GT cars linked together as well. He covers the inside at turn number 3. Laurin Heinrich tries to go around the outside. Bamber moves across to cover. They'll start climbing the hill from turn 5, but here's the traffic. 3 across the track at one stage there. They both get by. Now here goes the block. I've got there's some smoke coming out. Bamber goes to the
no shot.
I don't know who's going to win in 2 of the 3 classes.
I do think there is left rear damage to the bodywork of the 31. He just needs to hang on to it for 11 more corners.
Wait, let's go.
Well, I'm not sure he's aware of what's going on there. We're keeping an eye on Frederick Vervish and Nicky Katzberg as well. They're only half a second apart, and it's side by side again, coming out of the Andretti hairpins to turn 3.
Oh,
the sideline has been taken by Earl Bamber in the Cadillac. They're still side by side going into turn 4. There's a bit of an overlap. Yes, there's a little bit of bodywork that's folded back. Side by side going into 4.
Yeah!
For the lead. Heinrich has got it done. He had the grip coming out. Bamber is deciding that he's got to fight back. Much damage is there to the back of that car. Porsche 963 by 3/4 of a second at the end. Let's quickly pick up Ryan with the GTD Pro battle that's heading up the hill now.
Well, both of these cars had a disastrous first 20 minutes of the race. Remember the penalty for the Ford for the contact with one of the Porsche Penske cars. They had a drive-through penalty. About to take it home. 1-2.
Raceway, Laguna Seca.
Boo.
Frederik Vervisch, breaking records on the Nürburgring Nordschleife recently, now stands on the top step of the podium for the number 65 crew. And the new Ford Evo is on the top step of the podium. Absolutely outstanding stuff. And let's not forget the GTD winners as well. Danny Formal started the win, Taylor Racing, Dex Imaging, Lamborghini, Huracan, and Trent Hinman finished it off. That is the old version of the Lamborghini now with the Ferrari in this race. But there's life in that old ball yet. Arjuna Kangapani has reaction from some of the winning teams. Where are you, Arjuna?
I made my way to JDC-Miller Motorsport, the elation, the tears. John, there is so much emotion here. 5 years after the last win for
Holy shit, that was